Hey guys, so January's arrived and where are we? What are we doing at the moment? How planned are we? It's really time to kind of make sure that we've got that absolute plan that we talked about back in December, making sure that we're implementing everything. Now the first thing is that, once you've got your marketing plan in place, that actually what we do is we concentrate on the key focuses. Remember that your clients and whoever's coming in to see you are coming in to see you on a rough kind of 6 to 8 week period. Maybe you should know that. You should know exactly what yours is, so that actually if you want to kind of lessen or increase that period, whatever you want to do, probably lessen, is actually make sure that that's one of your key focuses. Maybe one of your key focuses is going to be color this year, it's going to be retail, but make sure also that you're fitting these marketing plans into a period that all of your clients are going to see it. So it could be a 6 or 8 week period that you have and you have focuses on. So it's going to be things for the clients to come in, benefits to them, always adding value to an appointment, never discounting, whether it's information or whether it's a new product or whether it's a new service. It's something that we're always offering, something new and something over and above. So think about that for this year and how you're going to do that. We've kind of worked on a few different things, and on the membership site we're giving out these kind of pieces of information, these nuggets of marketing, and then what we're doing is we're showing you how to go to the product companies so that they're working with you in your time frame, not just when the product's being launched, and making sure that they're on board and they're supporting you through this as well. It's really important that we have a 6-month plan so that we know where we're working to, and all the team know what we're doing as well. And then on top of that, of course, we make sure that everybody has the education, and we spend time having those education days, having those training days, making sure everybody has all the tools that they need, because that's what gives our team progression, that's what gives us continuity, and that's what makes sure that the team stays loyal to each other, to the client and to the brand. So get started on that, and if you need any more help with that, we're happy to help at Fowler Hair Academy. All right, catch you soon.